I'll show you my hockey card collection, and yeah, I'll show you my top 10 cards. So number 1 is Steven Stamkos. Number 2, Drew Doughty. Number 3 is Mikko Koivu.
Number 3, number
And number 4 is Mike Camilleri, Game Breaker. Number 5 is Martin Brodeur. Number 6 is Brad Marchand. Number 7 is K Price. Number 8 is Alexander Ovechkin. And my best card is this guy. He's chubby, yeah. So don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, peace.